Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and this Waterpik Sonic Fusion is a brilliant design because it combines brushing my teeth with flossing using a Waterpik all in one convenient unit. You can use both functions simultaneously, brushing and Waterpik, or you can use them separately. The unit is very easy to use and sits nicely right on the sink, so it will keep the brush charged and make it convenient to use it regularly. You easily fill the water holder and select floss for using the Waterpik. You can also control the intensity of the water flow. It goes from 1 to 10. The Waterpik Sonic Fusion makes it so easy and convenient to brush my teeth with an electric toothbrush and floss with a Waterpik. And it saves me so much time. And that's my point of view.